Hey everyone, welcome back to Natara Space. I am Natara and today's video is a fold with me. You guys, I have so many clothes that I need to fold up in this basket, so this is what I'm going to be doing on today's video, is folding my clothes. So if you have some clothes, you guys, that you need to get folded, go ahead and get that basket so we can get it done all together, you guys. And also, you guys, this video is just going to be music only, so please sit back and relax and enjoy the music. Or if you have some clothes to fold, let's do it together. So yeah, you guys, thank you guys so much for coming back, clicking on this video. Thank you guys so much for all of your support. And also, you guys, before you leave this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, share this video. Also, make sure that you're subscribed and turn on your post notifications so that you will be notified every time I upload. And I will see you guys in Sunday's video. Bye, guys.
Lately it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me, but baby it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back, baby it's you. And I would never. Yeah. You've been flexing everywhere, girl. Look in the mirror, man. You're so dirty. Yeah, you look so dirty. You were never worthy. Lately, it's you. You stole your peace, put it on me. But baby, it's you. Lying like a rat, but take your stuff back. Baby, it's you. Control the weather, then every day would rain on your parade. Shine, you can't change, yeah. If I was Father Time, then I would change the day, so I never saw your face.
knows it's part of being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, 'cause baby, you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me, yeah. I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know I'm worth it, working out my issues with you, with you. Broken future, all the plans you made in your heart grew just to die. And now your damaged goods, damage should have never been. Thought you were bulletproof, look at you, what happened? Did she hurt you? Are you okay, baby? Everyone gets hurt, that's how we learn to make love work. It's part of life, but if you need a lullaby, baby, don't cry no more. Just let her walk out your door. Baby, don't cry no more. Mama's here. I wrote a lullaby for you, to you. Yeah. Wasted loving all the nights I spent wondering why we couldn't be. Ooh. And now that you're alone, you're